Hey everybody, getting ready to pull this front wheel off from the brake drum and check the brakes. I went and got a set of front brakes for it. I definitely need one rear brake on that side. This one was changed when I bought the truck because it wouldn't pass inspection. The other one's close, but they didn't have it. They had to order it, so I bought a set of new ones for the front because I wanted to check them, and I didn't want to take them off. And it needed and not already have them here, so if the truck doesn't need them, I've got the brakes already. So we'll see if we can get this front wheel off. Hopefully I can get the lug nuts broke loose. And this one has left hand threads on this side. Oh. That's rough. Rough. Post is in the way. Should have known that. Should have known that. I thought it would come out there. Alright, I backed my brakes off. Still ain't too bad. Drum looks good. Wheel bearing feels good. About notion of changing them. Anyways, since I've got it off. Get all the brake dust cleaned out there. That stuff's a mess. Alright. These front brakes are good. I didn't really have anything to compare them to. By looking at them or anything. So, until I bought the new shoes. But anyways, I'm going to leave them on there. I'll put the new ones up. And I've got them, you know, for when I need them. And, we'll put this side back together. I'll definitely need back ones. So when they come in, they had to order them. When they come in, we'll get that back one on that one side changed. And that way I know what's what, but I didn't want to get this thing tore down. To look at them, inspect them, see how long they've been on there, if they was glazed over, if they had any cracks in them. You know, I just didn't know. So, where it's got the dust covers, it does have a little inspection hole in there. Now I know how thick they're supposed to be. So, I feel better. I'm glad I did it. It's worth the effort. I'm glad I've got the shoes here when I need them. And we'll get this thing slapped back together on the front. And we'll tear the back end down once those come in. Hey, I planned on cutting some wood and stuff this morning, and it's been raining pretty hard. It's slacked off just a little bit right now. But anyways, I turned the International around, decided to go ahead and pull this side off and check the brakes on it just to make sure everything was okay. Since I was into it and didn't have anything else to do. And that way I can put some anti-seize on my studs and not have trouble with them later on, getting them off. I had a little hard time on the other side getting them off. These did good here. But got all the brake dust cleaned out. Had a lot of brake dust in there. Got all that blew out. Took brake cleaner and cleaned the drum and the brake shoes off. Just give them a little squirt and wiped them with a rag. So we'll get it through back together here.